Cihandite wega tha ikumiota mutugani thare au kurehera mohoro na njira nguhi mohoro ma matimo gikunyita ogeni ni njito Kate Modani na tukianjira mohoro maitu tukwanjira na cigie uteti kuria atongoria a mung'ethaniro ni mathiete na mbere na gukira afitha a borithi kurumirira tharikira na gutharirio kwa mishemanio yao ya uteti makiaranĩria na andĩki a mohoro thutha wa kwaga kuonana na munene wa borithi wa wabici-inĩ yake gũkũ Nairobi maugite Douglas Kanja ni kurira rorera wira wake wa kugitira na mishemanio ya uteti.
Tulikuwa tukitarajia kwamba leo hii tutapata ripoti kwamba wamekamatwa, wamepelekwa mahakamani ama hatua zozote zile ambazo mkuu wa idara ya polisi angesema. Lakini maajabu ni kwamba yeye na timu yake hatukuwapata. Nadhani vizuri kusema kwa sababu ukiondoka bila taarifa ni kwamba ameepa kikao muhimu sana ambacho kinahusu usalama wa kila mwananchi wa Kenya. Jana tu peke yake tuna habari kwamba watu wawili wameuawa Kitengela na wengi wameumia sana kwa mkutano ambao ulikuwa unajulikana na polisi kwamba utakuwa kiendelea.
They are here today and the IG is not here. Not even DIG Langat is here. Not even DIG Masengeli is here. They have all taken off. We believe this is because of orders from above, where they have been told not to engage us. But this is an issue of accountability, so we are not going to relent. We have said we'll be back here again on Friday, and when we come, we expect none other than IG Kanja himself to be here.
The 12 police officers who attacked us have been identified. They have been positively been located, that they are the ones who are in Witima. They have been located at the house of the local member of parliament where they took lunch after the attack. We also have information that the police actually want to prosecute these people, but William Ruto and Kipchumba Murkomen are insisting on a cover-up that these people should not face the law. This is very sad. And as my colleagues have said, we'll be back on Friday. And these people must face the law.
Tarisha ciĩgiĩ ũteti mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa United Greens Movement David Maraga ni akomithĩtie borithi nĩ kũhũthĩra ndogo ya gũita maithori gũthararia mĩcemanio ya ũteti. Akĩendia mĩto yake ya kũhũranĩra gĩturwa gĩa president mwaka wa arĩ mwena wa Meru. Maraga arenda mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja atacokie makinya ma gũkinyia mũthia mũtugo ũyũ. Oho nĩ orĩtie a Kenya metĩkĩre kwĩyandĩkithia ta aikia a kura. Tondũ yo noyo ngo ya gũkinyanĩria mogarũrũku marĩa magũtacũkio bũrũri na mbere. Makiria ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ tũrathiĩ kĩthurano-inĩ.
I stand firmly with the united opposition in condemning the teargassing of gatherings, the teargassing particularly of churches. Today, I know the leaders of united opposition are going to the IG's office to demand prosecution because nothing has been done of those who were involved in the teargassing of the church. I would have actually joined them in Nairobi, and I had said that if they are going to hold any demonstrations, I would join them. I would have loved to join them in going to the IG's office and demand the prosecution of those people. But we had already made plans to be here, and that's why I am here. But I'm joining my call with theirs that we should not have anybody tear-gassing peaceful gatherings, and particularly in churches.
In the 10 counties that we have been in, we have seen Kenyans really suffering from high levels of youth unemployment, crisis in terms of drought because of climate change, and we have listened over and over to Kenyans who are really saying that they feel cheated by this government, they feel neglected, they feel actually robbed of their resources, and they are decrying the unaccountability of their elected leaders. And that is why they want fundamental change, which we are sure as a United Green Movement Party will be delivered by His Excellency David Maraga.
Aikaritora ria Juno County ni ya Kiambu ni maraka ni kuongerereka kwa mikora iria iratwa na kuigira nyumba-ini ciao mathaini ma muthenya na kuiya indo ciao na kumatiga makigereka. Riu marenda ginya duka iria ciendagia indo ihuthire kana second hand guthurimwo na kuhingwo gukerekana mikora ino nikuo irendia indo ici thutha wa kuiya. Charles Gikuga Kariuki ni na ripoti iyo.
Aikari a itora ria Juno ward-ini ya Dumberi Kiambu riu marenda mungururio wa biacara cia indo nguru kana second hand utwarithio na mbere magikuira nikuo mikora yarikia kuiya indo ciao marendia.
Koretwo tukinyamario tukanyamario muthenya ona utuku matwikire uthuthuria kuria koretwo agitwara nyamu ici na atucokerie ithui tondu ithui ni turaigua ruo gutire hindi mundu angikorwo urathukuma kindu kiu ugacoka mundu ukaga kuoera
na marorage muno tondu riu indo ciagirwo gukorwo ukienderio kindu gigakoragwo na rithiti
mendekithitie ukurumirira uici itura-ini riri kuongerereka makiuga maraumira mawira-ini mao na gukora nyumba ciao ibunjitwo na gukaiywo wikinae uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere makiria ma mieri 3 kirumaniririo.
Turataimwo rira twathie mawira maitu nja wa micii itora ritu rikoka gubunjwo manyumba magabunjwo ma TV makarutwo gutire mundu uretekera guikara gwithie wira tondu riu ni guthukire.
Maratariria ni makoretwo makihura report session-ini ya borithi ya Kanunga no gutire ikinya ona rimwe kana mwikuirwo ona umwe uri uraikio ngono ona thengia ya aria mekorete uici-ini uyu kuongerereka.
Ndoka ku report uria jieto TV na meko na ni undu ukoretwo ugithina mbere tondu ni njiraga kuiyo bado nguku na nguru ciakwa cirari hakuhi kurutwo.
Mbaro yakwa kiyo mweri wa kenda na ngiuka haha na makirwo ni muiritu wakwa mero ni muiritu wakwa makiuga ndoke kwandikithia kiria statement ni ngiuga ndiguka tondu na mundu oka haha gutiri kindu onaga.
Makaya maya meyumiritie thutha wa mundurume umwe kuhonokio moko-ini ma muingi ni borithi thutha wake kuhofanirio mucii-ini umwe itura-ini riri ria Juno agikuirwo hamwe na angi aria maretharire marabangaga kuiya indo nyumba-ini iria ene marakoretwo maingira kanitha.
Taru tuma na mundu tunyitire haha atugiite itura ndareka itura rihuruke tukuria akinyurio kiriki na ria yagiriria ria watho.
Kwina mundu ungi ukoretwo akihe muici uyu uhoro wa itura riri kana hindi ria andu magithie agakihota gugiuka micii.
Tungenda mundu anyitwo ri agakinyuke tutaneo era watho moko-ini ri thigari cicurike na cigagicurika.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV kuma Juno Kiambu njitagwo Charles Gikuga wa Kariuki.
Thegi Charles Gikuga ni ripoti iyo. Arimi a mucere kuma thiki Mwea county-ini ya Kirinyaga ni mathiite na mbere na gukaya kumana na wagi wa mai migunda-ini undu uria ucungiririe mucere wao kumira migunda-ini. Kuringana na arimi a kimera giki maratanyite kugetha mucere kwambiriria mweri wa gatatu no kuona matikoretwo na mai gutire na magetha na riu matigitwo magitara hathara. Boni Wathuku ni na ripoti ino makiria.
Niguo mucere uhana icigo-ini itiganite thikimu-ini ya mucere mwena wa Mwea county-ini ya Kirinyaga mucere migunda-ini ukiurwo ni ururu kumana na wagi wa mai migunda-ini. Na kuringana na arimi a kimera-ini giki matikoretwo makiamukira mai migunda-ini ino undu uria uracungiriria mucere kwambiriria kuma.
Na twina thina mwingi muno wa mai tondu riu ona mucere tugwi guku twige kugetha tutingibotha kugetha mucere guku ni muthuku muno ni mai gutiu tugwika atia ni murona kumire tariu ona kara kia bogu ndirigiririe kugetha atii makindu ni kuma karoma riu ngwicira no tutetheirwe thirikari niwe tutethia oro wa mai tona tungiteithika nimo tona gukuthia tondu ni kubitanire muno makiria.
Rugano rwa wagi wa mai thikimu-ini ya Mwea rukoretwo rugicokera o kimera arimi magitiwa magitangika na kiuria kinene ni uguni wa demu ya Thiba na iria ona thengia ukorwo ihurite mai arimi matirakorwo magikinyirwo ni mai maya.
Na tariu we ni u turari kuria Thiba dam na kuna mai na mai tutire ikurukirio ungithie Nyamindi no thie Thiba itire na mai tugakiuria atire ndemu twakagiro yake angikorwo etingiteithia murimi wa Mwea riu ena thina wa mai koguo ni kuonania mai macio guku matwaragwo mai macio ringi guku ndumendagio tondu mai macio ma ndemu matiratuteithia na ndemu ina mai na ni ukuona guku mucere witu ni kumoroma mucere uti mai
na kumana na thina o kimera-ini kihituku arimi aria matigirwo magitara hathara kuona ati kere magetha mucere ngonia 30 matigirwo makigetha ngonia 20
na in fact ndina thina muingi muno tondu ndura guku njikiraga mai mataroneka nginya thiete hakiri kenda ta ikuruga tariu ngirora mucere uria uturigiceirie kundu guku gutura kung'ang'anĩirwo na mai na ngarigo atiriri kai kurathi atia riu na in fact turonete ta unene wina thina na tukona ta hangikorwo hena change tungicenjia unene nigukorwo ati mai macio ni tumang'ang'anĩire kuma o kimera giuku
arimi magikaya ati mucere uria wi migunda-ini wa mucoka waiya gukorwo kiharagana kumana na wagi wa mai kimera-ini giki na arimi makiuga ati megukorwo mari hathara-ini nene
no riu guku witu ni guthukite muno tino kwaga mai na mai othe arimi ni ariu mai no riu mai guku ni kwagire piu
Andu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga njitagwo Boni wa Thuku.
Sora icio cia urimi anyitite mi sector-ini ya urimi ni moretie kugia na wigithia makiria icigo-ini iria nyumagaru itemi-ini ria kuhurana na kurigiriria ng'aragu maikite retana re kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kuria kuri na gikaro gia kwaririria ciigie urimi anyitite mi acio maugite ugaruruku wa riera ni umwe wa maundu maria matumite bururi urike ng'aragu-ini na bururi waga kuhimbiria njira cia kiriu cia urimi na kuhanda mimera iria ingitiria ng'aragu bothi wa rucio rwa bururi waya gukorwo hatika-ini.
This expansion is very intentional, and it is, as you have heard, to get closer to the farmers, shorten service distances, improve parts availability, and enhance the customer uptime.
This country represents opportunity, resilience, growth, and is home to some of the most dedicated farmers in the world.
At the right price, spare parts availability, service, workshop, and above all, the training. We need to train the operator to the best usage of the machine and to take the maximum output to increase his productivity.
Using modern machinery such as tractors, planters, irrigation systems, harvesters, processing equipment to making farmer faster, more efficient and more productive. It moves agriculture from manual, labor-intensive practices to smart, technology-driven production. For Mombasa, this is very critical.
Ahori biashara taunini ya Mombasa mwena wa Lebanon no hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca maratara thutha wa mwaki munene gucina nyumba iria mahuragira biashara ciao. Imwe cia nduka iria ihirire mwaki ni nduka ya kwendia chemical cia guthondeka mathabuni. Undu uria urerikana ucungiririe mwaki uyu kuongerereka. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombasa yugite mwaki uyu ni uhotete kuhorio ona gutuika utire kindu ona kimwe kihonoketio mwaki-ini ucio.
Kama unavyoona eneo letu limeshika moto kuanzia 11 asubuhi, lakini tunashukuru Mombasa County wakishirikiana na Kenya Navy wamepambana na moto huu hadi sasa wamefanikiwa kuuzima. Kusababishwa na moto hatukujua, maana tuliamka usingizini tukisikia kelele na moto ulikuwa umeshaanza. Hata hivi ni maduka ya spare mbele umechomeka, lakini Navy wamecooperate na Mombasa County na wakapigana na huo moto na wakahakikisha moto haukusongea kwenye maduka ya chemicals.
Asubuhi ya leo kati ya saa moja, yani tuseme saa moja kamili, tulipata simu kuwa kuna moto hapa na timu yetu ikarespond ndani ya dakika 5 wakaja hapa. Walipata ni duka iliyokuwa ikichomeka kwa ndani. Baada ya kuchunguza zaidi ama kufungua mlango wakapata ni duka la chemicals. Na hizi chemicals ni kama zimeanza kuchomeka tangu usiku, kwa sababu Unajua chemical hata moja na nyingine ikichanganyika mara nyingi inaweza tokea kama ni moshi ama moto.
Tunashukuru ya kwa wote vile inavyoendelea, lakini tumesave life. Hakuna life ambayo iko reported ya kwa nini ama mtu ameumia, na property tunasave kwa sababu tungeiacha pale nyumba hii na nyingine kama vile umeona vile vimeshikana. To respond within 5 minutes kuja hapa, lakini kila aina ya moto kama zile classes za moto, unajua kuna class A, B, C, D. So kila class ya moto ina njia yake ya kuzima moto. Sasa ukiangalia ule moto ambao uko hapa ni a mixture of class A and D, A, C and D iko hapo, na uchache pia ya B. Sasa ukiangalia ni zote hizo zimechanganyika pamoja, moto kama huu ambao umetokezea hapa.
Na mweroreri hau ni otukorwo tugitiriha mohoro maitu ma ithariri mana mange maige mariandikitwo mohoro marathi na mbere kuhariria maguka cihanda themwe na tha ithatu ihinda-ini rĩrĩa ndĩraũtigana mwĩgangaro. Niĩ njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.